guys, my name is Cece and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Sally Hansen Jelly Belly Nail Polish Collection. Now these retail for $4.99 and I didn't know if you could actually get your hands on this collection, and I did find out that you can. I bought mine from Ulta.com and I'm so excited to try out these 11 shades. Now these are 7 cream polishes, and then the 4 that are left, they are Crelly nail polishes. And if you guys don't know what Crelly nail polishes are, they're pretty much a combination of cream and jelly. So it's a very interesting finish of nail polish. But the one thing I will recommend for these Crelly nail polishes is that you do have a cream, white, or colored base under them, because they are pretty sheer on the first coat, and it did take me about 2 coats for it to be opaque. But without further ado, we're going to jump into these colors, and yeah, let's get started. First thing I want to say is, before I start all of these shades, is that I always put on a top coat, and I will put that in the description bar down below. The first one in our collection that we're going to start off with is called Peach. It is a peach colored nail polish with a rose pink hexagon glitters. It's got full coverage in 1 coat, but I am going to be putting on a second coat because I did miss a few spots, and I really want to make this nail polish pop. You could definitely benefit from having a white nail polish on the bottom of it. The next one that I'm going to be going over is in the shade Coconut. This is a off-white nail polish, and when I first put it on, it was a little bit patchy on the first coat, so I ended up putting on a second coat so that it could be full coverage, and it was. The next shade that I have is in the shade Green Apple. This to me looks like a St. Patrick's green, and it was full coverage in 1 coat, but I would probably use this for some nail art, or maybe wear it on St. Patrick's Day because it does remind me of those green nail polishes. The next color that I have is in the shade Buttered Popcorn. This is a pale yellow nail polish with gold hexagon glitters. This one was sheer on the first coat, so I did throw on a second coat, and again, this one would benefit with the white nail polish base. The next one that I have is called Bubblegum. It is a light pink nail polish, and it's beautifully opaque in 1 coat, and it doesn't have any patchiness. This is another one that I would probably use for nail art. The next shade that I have is in the shade Strawberry Cheesecake. It is a light pink polish with a magenta hexagon glitters. It was completely sheer on 1 coat, so I did have to add on a second coat, and it would definitely benefit from that white coat. The next shade that I have is Very Cherry. It is a holiday bright red nail polish. It is opaque in 1 coat, and it's perfect for the holiday season coming up. The next shade that I have is in the shade Island Punch. This one to me is a light purple nail polish, and it is opaque in 1 coat, and I think this would be perfect for the spring and summertime. The next shade that I have is in the shade Tutti Frutti. This is a sheer almost pink with a multicolored hexagon glitters. It's sheer on the first coat, but I would need to add that second coat to build it up. This would definitely be perfect for if you're going to a holiday party or just any fun festival party. The next shade that I have is in the shade Berry Blue. It is a light blue nail polish and is opaque in one coat. It is a very beautiful summer color, but of course you could wear it at any time of year. And last but definitely not least, I do have the Blueberry shade. This is a dark blue nail polish and it's opaque in one coat. And this is a beautiful blue for all year round. That's all that I have for you guys today. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!